Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show how to fix Discord overlay not working. Is your desktop Discord overlay not showing up in game? In this video I will show you how to fix this problem. Let's get it working step by step. First of all, you have to go to the Discord and to open the Discord, and it takes some time. Now open the Discord and to click the gear icon. Here you can the gear icon and to find out the game overlay. Now here you can see the game overlay, and to enable overlay, and also check that overlay is enabled per game under registered game. And also the next step is add the game manual. In Discord, go to registered games. Here you can also see the one step forward is registered games. Here you can see the registered games, and here you can see the add it, and to click the add it and choose the access file and make sure overlay is enabled for that games. And also the next step is run Discord as administrator. Now you can see the Discord and run as administrator and go to the yes, and this helps Discord communicate with your game properly. If not working, so next step is turn off hardware acceleration. Go to Discord settings, and the next step is update or reinstall Discord. Make sure Discord is up to date. If not, download the latest version from discord.com. So first of all, we have to uninstall this Discord. We have to go to this file Geek uninstaller, then download the Geek uninstaller and go to the Geek and to open this Geek uninstaller and to select the Geek uninstaller. Here is type Discord. Now you can see the Discord, and to uninstall this Discord, it takes some time. And to download the Discord, here you can see the discord.com. I can download the Discord for Windows and install it. I install the Discord setup. It takes some time, and it's the update version of Discord. Here you can see the new update version of Discord, and hope this problem is fixed, and hope you are enjoying this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.